Today, mostly cloudy to overcast east of I-95, more breaks in the clouds farther south and west. The chance of a few sprinkles or a shower or two. Highs will be in the mid-70s in the metro today. Some 80s to the south and west. And then going into this evening, the clouds will break up more. It'll start to turn less humid going into tomorrow. Temperatures in the morning will be in the low 60s. And highs tomorrow will actually get back up into the low to mid-80s across a lot of the region as less humid air filters in. In fact, you'll notice a big drop. That front coming through the area now is going to drop the humidity and dew point levels a lot going into tonight and tomorrow. It'll still stay nice on Saturday. It'll get muggy again on Sunday, but then another front will knock the humidity down, and the middle part of next week is going to be fantastic. Here's the latest on Erin. It's a Category 2 hurricane, winds of 100 miles an hour, and it's moving to the north-northeast at 18 miles an hour. The center around the storm right now is a little bit over 250 miles east of Cape Hatteras, so it is moving away from the coast, and it will continue to do so the rest of today into tonight and tomorrow as it moves into the North Atlantic and just becomes a monster area low pressure as it loses its tropical characteristics. Still some pretty high waves along the seaboard for today into tonight, and then going into the next couple days, the waves will start to get a little bit better, but the high rip current risk will continue. Still tropical storm warnings over towards the Atlantic side and also on the bay. Could have some winds there over 39 miles an hour, and we continue with some coastal flooding. Waves could be the water levels 1 to 3 feet above normal during the high tide cycles, and that goes into tomorrow afternoon. Here's our 7-day forecast. Some mid-70s today, some low to mid-80s heading into the weekend with less humid air, and then as the next front comes through Sunday into Monday, we'll be looking at temperatures behind that in the upper 70s and low 80s, overnight lows in the 50s going into the second half of next week as we see a lot less humidity across the region. Just the chance for a couple scattered thunderstorms Sunday into Monday with that cold front, but other than maybe a shower or a few sprinkles today, most of the area is going to stay dry for the next couple days. And we're watching another system which is out in the Atlantic, but that could show some development if it does get named to be Fernand, and that would head towards Bermuda.